You've just been charged with a DUI. You must have many concerns. One of them being something very serious, jail time. A first offense can have a maximum penalty of 6 months in jail. Another one being suspension of your driver's license. How are you going to get to work? How are you going to pick up your children? These are all very serious concerns.
You need to have the right DUI attorney representing you. You want somebody that not only knows the law, that not only knows the facts, but also knows the procedures and the ins and outs of the various courtrooms through Orange County and Los Angeles County. We're familiar with those courtrooms. We know the process, we know the procedure. Just those intangibles help obtaining a dismissal on your behalf.
Our top priority is dismissal. We have a proven track record in doing so. One way of achieving that is to get your side of the story.
We want to subpoena the audio, we subpoena the video, we go through the police report. We know your case better than anyone else in that courtroom, including the judge, including the DA, and possibly even you.